Hello and welcome to another update video about ADA. ADA performed quite well yesterday, but there's nothing too impressive about the price action that we've seen yet. So far, it doesn't really look much different from what we've seen here. Yeah, just a corrective rally, even a little bit weaker. So all I can say at the moment is, yep, we've reached my one of my targets I highlighted to you. I need to see 53.4 cents, I think it was, or 52.5 at least. But I highlighted I need to see that in 5 waves to confirm that a low has formed. But you clearly see it's only a 3-wave move. I can share that with you. So we don't have, and I take those fib levels out, but we only have 3. There's no way you can count 5 waves. You might be able to call it a an ABC structure. I mean, we can count that. A wave, B wave, C wave in the white count actually, or actually in an ABC, the A wave would sit here, the B wave would sit here, the C wave here. So we have a very clear 3-wave move. In the wave A, we have a leading diagonal. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, but it's a very, very messy one. So it could also be counted as an ABC itself. Then we have a B wave and a C wave. So we have 3 waves up only. We now need a 4th. And if it holds, then one more high could do the trick. Okay, one more high could do it. Then we get 5 waves potentially. Then I can call that a potential 5-wave move. All right. So the thing is then, I could say this was a 1-2 then maybe. Wave 1 as a leading. Yeah, wave 2 down, wave 3 up. Then what is now the support level for the wave 4? Again, that comes with some issues because, okay, do I put the wave 1 here? Do I put the wave 2 here? Or is this 1-2? If I leave it down here, the 1-2, then actually I give it a little bit more space, the wave 4. Might be quite useful because what we don't want to do is to call this pattern too early invalidated. But basically, the idea is that we've got a support area for a 4th wave, and then we typically add the golden ratio because we're dealing with a diagonal, and this is what it would need to hold. I don't see the pattern as a great pattern that we've seen at the moment, or that we see, so it's not that anything I will call it's I'm confident about it, but if it gives us 5 waves, then the upcoming 3-wave pullback might provide the next trade setup. All right. I mean, so far it's going well. You know, ADA is in this wave 4 correction. It's just stretching out a little bit. Our larger support area is defined here between 50.8 cents and 34.5, even though, as I said before, I actually don't want it to go below the 39-cent level. That would already indicate weakness. But overall, this is already, for this diagonal pattern, for this 4th wave pullback, the larger support area from where I would like to see a reversal and the start of a 5th wave that might reach 85 cents plus. At the moment, we're just looking at evidence on the shorter time frame that could give us some indication if the move down is already over. It's too early for that, okay? In addition to that, we have the additional uncertainty around tomorrow's interest rate decision. So there might just be a little bit of volatility, even though I don't think there is too much uncertainty. I think the market expects no rate reduction yet. I think the interest rates will stay where they are for now. But yeah, I think the bottom line and the main takeaway is that one more high could give us 5 waves. As soon as I can see those 5 waves, I will add another support area to the chart. Yeah, this is really just here for info, which level needs to hold. So 48, the dog. It's the area between 48.6 cents and 51.7 cents. That's what needs to hold for this wave 4 to give us one more high in wave 5. The resistance area in parallel is highlighted here as well. It's sort of just Fibonacci resistance, which might act as a little bit of a, basically a bit of resistance, which slows the price down. As you can see here, we have the first reaction already to the resistance area. And, you know, this rally can stretch and stretch and stretch, but I need to see 5 waves. A 3-wave rally isn't enough. And it can be called corrective however high it goes, Also here it was worth to remain cautious in this rally, which turned out to be a very, very clear three-wave structure, and it formed another low. So yeah, what can I say? Support levels are very clear. The target levels to the upside are clear as well. It's a little bit too early to confirm a low in place, even though we've had a little bit of a rally, but the rally isn't even substantial enough to, to even break above initial resistances. So no change overall on the ADA chart. We have to remain a little bit patient. So I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.